legend of Kathak Birju Maharaj died at his home late on Sunday at the age of 83. He had been diagnosed with kidney disease a few days ago and was put on dialysis. Maharaj Ji, as he was popularly known, died of a heart attack and is survived by 5 children and 5 grandchildren. Also a talented Hindustani classical singer and percussionist, Maharaj Ji was the son of Achin Maharaj. His uncles were the renowned Shambhu Maharaj and Lachu Maharaj. He was a recipient of the country's second highest civilian honour, Padma Vibhushan. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, and many others expressed grief and offered their condolences on demise of Pandit Birju Maharaj. Maharaj Ji's contribution to the Hindi cinema has been immense. From training Madhuri Dixit to Deepika Padukone, Bollywood's top classical hits have been choreographed by the maestro himself. He has also composed music for many. Here are a few of the hits by the legend himself. Music of classical dance sequence Kanha Main Tose Hari in Satyajit Ray's first Hindi film Shatranj Ke Khiladi was composed by the maestro. Maharaj also sang the hit classical song and his senior disciple Saraswati Sen performed as the Kathak dancer in the track. Next, Birju Maharaj wrote the lyrics, composed the music and choreographed the song Kahe Chhede Mohe from Sanjay Leela Bhansali's directorial Devdas. Madhuri Dixit's dance, which stole million hearts, was all Maharaj's work. Maharaj Ji and Madhuri Dixit again came together when the legend sang and choreographed Jagave Sari Raina in Abhishek Chaube's Ded Ishqiya, the sequel to the movie Ishqiya. This song is written by another legend Gulzar and composed by exceptional Vishal Bharadwaj. In the latest, Maharaj Ji trained stunning Deepika Padukone, who took Kathak dance lessons from him for the song Mohi Rang Do Lal for Sanjay Leela Bhansali's romantic epic saga Bajirao Mastani. The song, which is sung by Shreya Ghoshal, won Filmfare Award for the best choreography for this song.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.